I'm just going to go ahead and grab this link, hopefully. I should be live. It says I'm live. Are we live? Are we getting comments? Right, let's post this real quickly into the Discord channel as people start to come in here. Hopefully. Let's make sure all the widgets are set up properly. We don't want that one. That can go away. Got a chat box. Yep. Let's go back to the stream. Hey, how's it going? How is everyone? Why is this not coming up as live here? What's up? Hey, how's it going? How is it going? Just give me a second to do some logistical things and then we'll get on to some questions. Because it says I'm streaming, but I don't see myself. 1 second. Okay, this one says it's live now. There we go. That's the link. That's the link. Hi, I want to ask you about how to go to the deep web. Just download Tor and do it. It's not that difficult. Okay, that's posted in the Discord. Do you use a Raspberry Pi 3? Yes, I do. Mine does this. Okay, Google, what time is it?
The time is 9 p.m.
That's what my Raspberry Pi 3 does. Hi, I want to ask about how we can go to the deep web. I've told you, download the Tor browser bundle and do it. It's that simple. How is everyone? Let's ooh, messy room, very messy room. Question: Are Arduino boards useful for anything? Yeah, they're really useful for loads of stuff. Just depends what you want to do. You're only limited by your creativity. My friend gave me this poster and it's from an anime, so if anyone knows what the anime is, please let me know, because I really like that poster and I want more. I really like it. Oh god, so many comments. What do you think about Delphi? I've never used it. What's up tonight? Not much. This is like a weekly live stream I'm trying to do, so we're going to try and do Q&As and stuff. Could you make that voice thingy on an Arduino? Probably not. I mean, you probably could, but it'd be a lot more difficult. Is it possible to join the Illuminati? If I told you that, I'd have to kill you. Triangles and stuff. Let's have a look at the quality. Not bad for 4G. Not bad at all. Not bad. Do you know any CTF for beginners? Hack the Box has everything. Show the poster again. It's there. It's Hell's Devil. Hi, Demsock. Oh, it's Pruden. I'm good, man. How are you? Yeah. What is that anime? Oh, is my phone frozen? Oh, it's back. Okay. That one there. What is that? What anime is it from? I really need to know. Because it's such cool artwork. So cool. Let's show how to create a phishing email. Hi, IT Devil. I can't show that now on my phone, but it's just take any legitimate email and make it into a phishing email. What you doing? I'm sat here answering questions. This is what I like to do on Wednesdays. Every machine seems so hard. Take a look at some of the retired boxes. There's some easy ones. Why you look like Hitler? What? How do I look like Hitler? Did you watch Silicon Valley? So I watched like the first 3 seasons. There's more than 3 seasons, right? I watched the first couple, definitely the first 2 seasons, and then just stopped watching. I thought you were going to do something with computer. No, that's the Sunday video. These live streams are just Q&As. Sorry to disappoint, I suppose. After this stream, though, we'll be heading over to Aaron's stream and playing some games, if that interests you at all. How to make fake calling? What do you mean? How to send email from botnet? Jesus Christ. There are 4 seasons, so I think I watched the first 3 and then didn't bother with the 4th one. You should look at the diet pie. It's very lightweight and pretty good. I will have a look at that. It sounds cool. What are these questions? Jesus. Jesus, what is wrong with you? Please send link for Aaron. We will, I'll post it in here once this stream's done. This is only going to be a short one, about half an hour. So, yeah. How to crack a WinRAR file. I think Hashcat can do it. Fairly sure John can too, but I'm pretty sure a Hashcat can. Can you hack a Facebook account just for fun? I probably could, but no, because that's illegal, mate. Would you recommend using... Oh. Would you recommend using GoFish framework to train employees against phishing attempts? Yes. So GoFish is really good for that because you get like actual statistics right there in the software. So you can like send out an email campaign and immediately know this many people click the email, this many people actually put the creds in. And it's really good because you can run them like large ones and just spread them out. So yeah, definitely. What do you recommend learning first? Coding, then networking, following up to CTF's challenges? I think coding's always a good shout. Networking, you should have a good understanding of before you get into pen testing, the way I see it. So definitely do networking, like set up stuff at home, like on that shelf. I don't know if you can see. Nope, on that shelf there, that Dell machine, I've got set up as a free NAS, just because, why not? So do that. Is there any good learning website for coding? I don't know, man. I didn't learn from a website. I literally learned by doing it. I just woke up one day and I was like, right, I really want to make a website in PHP. So I literally Googled all the way to what I wanted. Anything interesting happened this week on job? Not really, man. Please remove the bot from the chat. Which bot? Are you gay? I'm not gay, mate. Sorry. Any tips on starting security YouTube? Just do it, man. Try and make the videos as interesting as you can. Do you watch Game of Thrones? I do not. It is called Zhang Zhao Bai. I took a screenshot of the poster and used... Oh, thank you, man. Can you drop that in the Discord just so I actually remember? Thank you. Currently taking network class, but what do you think I would do or take? I have interest in programming and other... But is networking... Well, networking is like the core of pen testing. If you don't know how networking works, I don't believe that... Even just a basic understanding, like if you don't know what a /24 is, at the very simplest of... just the very simplest, you'll be looking at an auth form from a customer and they'll give you an IP range and you won't be able to even interpret that. So basic stuff like that is really good. Like I did my CCNA and that was really good. No, I'm not Alex V. I answered you. How to create payload into JPEG file /picture? You can't really, unless you've got some 0-day. Please add IMSI catcher tutorial. That's actually doable. I might actually order a SDR like tonight. Oh, I've frozen. I'm back. Okay. Oh, yeah, I might do that. That seems really easy. Diet Pi is Raspberry Pi OS. Supports all Raspberry Pis and a lot of things. Oh, that's cool, man. What do you do for a living? I'm a penetration tester. I hack things for companies and tell them how to fix it. Nagios or Snort? So I'm biased. I like Snort, but that's using the Security Onion distro, which just auto configures everything. So if you guys are interested in IPSs, I should actually really make a video on that. Security Onion is like literally like pop the ISO in, install, you've got an IDS, and then you can put like sensors everywhere, so you can install like the sensor software on a server and it'll call back to your central Security Onion system. Show your necklace. It's just a little silver thing. Alex V, I answered you, man. I'm not gay. Sorry. What certificates do you recommend for beginner hackers? So I've actually got a friend who's taking the Udemy ethical hacking course. Well, it was £10 when he bought it. I'm still waiting for him to tell me whether that's any good, but stuff like that. I didn't do any certificates. I still don't have any certifications other than my degree, and I don't think they're necessarily required. It's just learn as much as you can about everything. Like, even stupid stuff, like learn everything about Microsoft Word, and then you'll know how to do macro payloads, you'll know how to do all sorts. And if you actually go on my channel and look at, I think it's called hacking Windows 7, 8, 9, 7, 8 and 10 with, yeah, just hacking Windows 7, 8 and 10 with Veil. That shows you how to make macro payloads. Tell me about SS7 attack. You're better off watching a DEFCON talk, but basically SS7 is just very broken, but the hard part about SS7 is getting access to the network. But if you have access to the network, you can literally like search for a phone number and get their exact location. Do you recommend WordPress? I use I use WordPress. I use it on the DemSec site. If you configure it correctly, there's nothing wrong with it, but a lot of the time people don't configure it correctly. Oh, Phil, how's it going, man? What did you do to it? No, I didn't. What did you do to it? Because he's like so terrified. Well, thank you, Alex, but yeah, thank you. I suppose I don't know what to say. Would you rather join Illuminati or Satanism? I would rather not do either. What do you think about Angela Merkel? I don't like to talk politics on this channel. Did you watch... Oh, why? That always happens. Did you watch Mr. Robot? Yes, I love Mr. Robot. Do you smoke weed every day? I don't smoke anything every day. Have you tried Mirai on Hack the Box yet? No, I haven't. I was actually looking at that yesterday. But I'm trying to... There's a few boxes where I've just got users on, and I'm taking a second look because the prevesks should be fairly easy. I want to be like you. How can I become like you? Referring your skill set. I don't know, man. I try and show as much on my channel, but it's like it's easier to come to me with like a really well structured question that I can actually answer. But stuff like that, I don't know where to start because everyone learns so differently. Like that's something I've like definitely got a good grip of understanding, that everyone learns so much differently. So there's some people who can literally sit there with like a book, read through the book and then know everything about it. I'm not one of those people. I learn by doing. And I will just Google my way through everything. Like, someone asks me a question, I don't know the answer, I'm on Google before I've even bothered thinking about it. I created a DLL spammer shellcode created with NMSF banner, but it does not work because it is found. Do you have any suggestions? Take a look at my video on Posh C2. It's not necessarily like Metasploit, you don't exploit stuff, but it's like a command and control server. But their latest update generates shellcode that won't be detected by AV. Do that. How much do you make from pentesting security? Enough. I'm not going to tell you the actual number. Can you tell a little about your first pentest? I can't. I'm under an NDA, my friend. Can I use an RTL SDR as an IMSI catcher? You can't. So the RTL SDR isn't a transceiver. It's only a receiver. And you need to be able to spawn a false cell network to be able to do an IMSI catcher. This thing keeps oh, it's Discord on my watch, sorry. Yeah, you need to be able to create a base station, and for that you need to be able to... I'm just going to repeat that because it froze. Yeah, so you need to be able to create a network, and you need to obviously be able to transmit to go ahead and do that. I've just started the Udemy hacking course. Could you drop me an email after you finished it at dale@demseg.com and just tell me what it is? Because people keep asking me about it and I've not tried it, so I want some like good feedback on it. It's not my course, but if people like it, I'd like to be able to recommend it to people. I've already told you Tekken Urdu. I don't know much about it other than what I've seen on DEFCON talks. Oh, my phone is struggling right now. Hey Jax, how's it going? Oh wow, everything's going badly wrong. So, I think this app lags out and it sets as a double tap and it's not like that. I did not double tap that then. And every time I double tap it, it resets the question, so I've got to scroll all the way back down. Oh my word, this app is really good because it puts stuff on screen, but it's not actually doing it right now. Why is it not doing it? Widgets. Chat box. It should be there. Why isn't the chat box working? This app, man. This app killing me. I'm just starting at the bottom, guys. If I've missed your question, just repost it. because it's just screwing me over. In fact, I am literally sat at my computer. I am not doing this efficiently at all. Yeah, 1 second, let's get to the chat. No, I'm never going to re-upload the dark comment link, sorry. Sorry. Hello, brother, I am Mufu from India. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You've been hacked, lol. Yeah, apparently so. Please. Please don't do. What language do you primarily use? English, mate. Why? Stop messaging me, Aaron. I use English. No, I'm joking. Python, mainly. Are you good at programming? My code isn't good, but I make stuff that works. Awesome, Tom. How's it going? Hope you're excited. You want chicken din din? Yes, later. Later will be chicken din din. Why most of ethical habit are from the UK? I don't know, man. Maybe they're copying me. Did you get a pineapple? Not yet. It's on its way. Know any websites for malware development for educational purposes? I don't. That's something that I've never really delved that far into. I started writing something a few months back and just never got on with it. Yeah, use an interpreter. Like, it's not worth the risk with a dodgy rat that you get from God knows where. It's really not worth it. I'm looking over it here now, so I don't have to deal with it. Like, we're on the screen. It's annoying. Britain, man, done. I'm trying to stream. I love your teeth, bro. Thank you. So do I. They're really good for eating things. How do you hop network to remain anonymous? Demsec, would you try and hack my website if you sign me a form saying that you're not going to prosecute me and I'm allowed to? Then yeah, sure. Be a fun live stream. Damn, that lag, yeah. This app, I think, got updated and they made it worse. It happens. Hello? Hello? Yeah, if I've missed your question, just post it every now and again. Don't spam it too much. Hey, it's you! Hey, sup, hey. Hey, everyone's saying hey to each other. Everyone's happy. Let's scroll back and see if I missed anything. Yeah, so I've not got the pineapple yet. It's going to do it. Do you use Kali Linux on your daily job? From time to time. I wish I could show you my work laptop setup, but obviously it's my work laptop. I can't really show that kind of stuff. But I use a really interesting setup. Put it that way. Can I get a shout out? Oh wow, it's Assad. Shout out to A Naveed. Is that the police? Yeah, they're coming to get me. It'd be really funny if I got swatted. Well, not for me, because I'd probably make a very brown mess on the floor. Prim Patel's supposed to be doing work. No. Watch stream, no work. Could you start up the beginner hacking series again, please? Take a look at the guide to pen testing. It's better, I think. Is Linux involved in your setup? Yeah, so I can tell you a bit. So the base is Ubuntu, and I run a Windows VM which has all my corporate like Outlook and stuff. But then I just have all of my tools in LXC containers. So every now and again I will boot up Kali for certain things, but day-to-day stuff you don't need it. But I use Ubuntu, just for the driver support. Can you tell me more password crackers? Hashcat is the only one you need. Hashcat is the best. Sure, I'll sign the form. Cool. Email me and we'll arrange it. dale@demsec.com. That goes for all of you. If you have any questions, email me or come into the Discord. Hey, sub here, big fan. Yeah, thank you, Christopher. What do you do for a living? I'm a penetration tester. So companies pay the company I work for to basically try and get people like me to try and break in, write a report telling them what we found, how to fix it, all kinds of vulnerabilities and stuff. It's a pretty fun job. Pretty fun job. Probably going to be on for about another 10 minutes because I want to go play games with Aaron, and I'll drop that link in the chat so you can come over and keep chatting if you want to. Like Aircrack John, you don't need any other. Literally, Hashcat John and Aircrack is all you need. And you don't even need Aircrack, you can use that in Hashcat. Have you already cracked any Wi-Fi? Yeah, you can see it on the channel. It was like one of the first video. Yes, I'm totally legal. I don't do anything illegal. Where are you from? So I live in Coventry at the moment, but I'm originally from Leeds, which explains the accent. Hey man, would you recommend AirPlay or MDK Free? MDK Free... so I like Aircrack because it's really targeted, but MDK Free works more effectively, if that makes sense. LXC containers, so they're... It's kind of like a VM, but it's only one level of it's only got one kernel, so it's really lightweight. So it's only basically the overhead is literally just the application, but it runs in a nice sandbox container, and it's really good because then I can just VPN the container instead of having to VPN my entire host and lose access to stuff. I'm just scrolling back through the comments now. Crackers like Aircrack, I've said a few. Hashcat is the best, there's no definite about it. Fluxion versus Aircrack. Fluxion doesn't really work. So it does spawn the access point, but they have to manually click to do it. And yeah, Aircrack probably better. QT should be Regex. Good luck, I'm terrible at it. Let's have a look. Oh, I hear radios. 1 second. Oh Jesus. Let's have a look at here. Oh, there's a firefighter down there. Interesting. There's a firefighter just down there. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there. There's a firefighter. Interesting. That's fun. Are you a student or do you have a job? I'm full-time employed. No, it's firefighter. Remember we talked on Skype? How you doing, mate? I'm doing really good. Swatting in progress. I fucking hope not. It's at this point where I'm like, should I just wipe my PC just in case? Nuke the encryption keys, swallow my YubiKey. Go into hiding. Do you use Wireshark? Yes, a lot. A lot. So someone asked me the question, I can't remember who said it. But it was basically along the lines of, what do you do if you can't get in, like if you're trying to hack into a company and you just can't do it? And that's a good thing. Like the goal is we want the companies to be secure. So if we've done 2 or 3 pen tests and they've remediated all of the issues, that's a good thing. We give them a report that says they're clean, they're happy. Big magnet on standby. Put everything in the microwave just in case. If someone knocks at the door now, I'm genuinely taking this thing to the door. Because if I'm getting swatted, I am not putting up with it. I'm like, that's going live because that's going to be hilarious. That will go viral. That will go viral. Especially if I get shot. Do you have a Wi-Fi pineapple or anything from Hack 5? So I have a land turtle and a bash bunny, and I've got a pineapple on the way. Stop DDoSing. Yeah, okay. Can you make a very full Wireshark tutorial? I don't do very full things with Wireshark, if I'm honest. But I can do some on Wireshark, yeah. For example, Metasploit is one, do you know more? I didn't catch the start of that question. What are the main tools you use? So Metasploit and Burp, the 2 main things I use. And Empire from time to time. Microsoft Office. Use Cisco Packet Tracer for networking, or I use none of those. Have you ever successfully used SSL strip with an evil twin Wi-Fi? Yes, it's take a look at the BBC interview on my channel. That in that video, that is what I'm doing, is SSL strip with a rogue access point. Links for Wireshark tutorials, I don't have any, but I can make some. What router do you suggest? This one. Ubiquity Edge Router Lite. Isn't Metasploit outdated? No, it gets updated literally every day. Could you do Empire tutorial? Yeah, sure. What do you think of Fluxion? It doesn't work. So it'll de-auth them, get the WPA2 handshake, spawn the network, but phones don't automatically, or laptops don't automatically connect to a network which is now open, which wasn't. So I've never had success, so it would literally rely on them manually going, okay, this is a new network, click. Oh, it's asking for my password, type. I think it's, yeah. Have you played with Detect? No. What is it? Tell me about it. This is why I'm here, guys. Like, I don't ever claim to be a fountain of knowledge. I want your suggestions. What do you guys play with? What should I play with? Tell me. Bro, can you make a video in a script that, for example, if you click about file or see the file discontent from your Wi-Fi at the same time your Wi-Fi password? That'd be a PowerShell script, but yeah. What's the fastest way to crack the handshake? Hashcat with a really good word list. Would you say the pineapple is mostly for convenience? Yeah, definitely. So, the way I would use it is, I'd use it as like a really overpowered Wi-Fi adapter, so like the one I've got, but you just deal with it. Like, you plug it in and it does a do, and then you can focus on doing what you actually want to do. Do. Jesus, speedy questions. 1 second. Blue team needs you, man. I did some time in a SOC once. Wasn't very fun. But there's like, if you're not really into pen testing but you like security, there are many jobs in like blue teaming. Like being the guys who actually defend networks. That's still a very well paid job. I just got some kind of notification on here and I got the sound but I can't see it, so I'm gonna go into here. Yeah, man, like if someone else has got a better tutorial than me, go watch it. Like, I don't like the hacking community on YouTube. I think is really good because it's not very competitive, but that's really good because like everyone just posts good stuff and just shows other people's. Where do you find really good word lists? Look for password dumps from actual websites. That's what I do. Thank you to the person who subscribed. Let's go back to the chat. What's your job and how much do you earn a month? So I'm not going to tell you how much I earn, but I'm a penetration tester / security consultant is the actual job title, but I'm a penetration tester. Wi-Fi Pineapple are awesome as a utility router. I can imagine. Yeah, I bet it's really good for those times where you just need a router. Think a honeypot video would be cool. How about you? I've got one like half made, but like I'm leaving some honeypots running at the moment so I can actually show you what happens when you've run them for a while. Because like just setting one up and going, right, that's set up, and not actually showing you the kind of data you get, I think is pretty useless. So a friend from work has a word list called Rocktastic. Go ahead and download that. It's really good. It's like 12 gigabytes. And it's really good. Always cracks so many passwords. Age, I'm 22. Yeah, I've tried that, Tom. It doesn't work very well. What are your PC specs and what have you built it yourself? So let's just show you that first. So it's a mess under here, but that's my PC. We've got an i7 3770K in there and 32 gigabytes of RAM, GTX 1060 6 gigabyte. Yeah, Rocktastic is the name of the word list. If you just Google Rocktastic word list, You can download it, and it's really good. So it's based on Rock U, but it's had a bunch of rules applied to it. So there's just, I think there's something stupid like 10 billion passwords, billion with a B. And yes, I built my PC myself. Anyway, guys, we're coming up to the end of the stream now, so I'm gonna have to balance this in a way where I can type. Hello. The screen just flipped like crazy. Yeah, it probably will do. Is it late to be a pen tester on my 29? No, not all, man. It's never too late. So I'm gonna post a link in the chat, and https://twitch.tv/ So I've just posted that link. Yeah, it should be clickable. So Aaron's live there now. If you want to start heading over there, I'm about to jump on and play some games with him. Do you have a mining rig? No. But if you want to start heading over there, we're going to play some PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. And yeah, that's going to be the end of this stream. Billion with a B rather than billion with a Q. No, it's because I didn't know if I enunciated it properly. Can you sub to me, Dem? Depends if I like your videos, man. I only sub to people who I like the videos or I think they're doing something good. That's what it comes down to. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. And yeah, I guess I'll see you on Sunday. The video will come out on Sunday. And let's hint at it. We've got a toy. We've got a new toy. Someone sent me something to play with. Cool. I will see you next week for the stream. Sunday for the regular video. Head over to Aaron's channel right now if you want to continue chatting and watch us fail at some games. See you later. Bye.